Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Terra box. So if you're not familiar with Terra box, it's a monthly, all-natural, handmade beauty subscription box. This is their like skincare slash sometimes makeup box. It's $34.95 a month. If you do just want makeup though, you can opt for just the makeup edit box, which is 3+ items a month at $29.95, I believe. I'm going to link below to my full review. I'll also link to Terra so you can check them out. This is like one of my all-time favorite boxes. I always recommend this to people that are looking for something beauty related but not mainstream. And I kind of need this box today. You ever have like one of those days? I like feel like just glum, you know, like I'm tired. My house is a disaster. And I just don't feel like I can get, there's not enough hours. Can you all just, like, can we just talk about that? How there are not enough hours in a day. And the hours that I do spend, I feel like I waste them. I just waste them doing nothing or things that, it's like, whoa, come on. Also, I'm trying to lose weight. Who out there is trying to lose weight? Because I am trying so hard and I keep messing up. And it's nobody's fault but my own. But, oh, gosh. All right, so I need this today. I need something to make me feel good, right? All right. So here it is. It's always beautifully packaged and well packaged, thoughtfully. So the card has gotten larger. Ooh, look at that. But we're not going to peek. We'll look at this at the end. I love that though. It's bigger and it's like different. Switching it up on us. Oh, so this is, oh, by the way. Oh, look, this is free prints. Oh, that's cool. Oh, ho, ho, that's neat. So this is about their new box. There's a called My Zodiac box. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. I haven't done the news. I haven't had a chance. Like, I'm just so bogged down. There's so much going on in my life. My kid, you know, like the kids and stuff, and I just can't get on top of everything. My Zodiac box is the new one. It's customized to your sign. I will be reviewing it. I do have it. I'm so excited. It looks like it's going to be amazing. And anything that comes from Terra, I believe in, like, wholeheartedly. Just all right, so our first actual item in the box is a sisal washcloth. I've never heard of that. Hand harvested natural sisal fiber. It's from Baudelaire. I'm guessing this is going to help exfoliate. For a firm but gentle exfoliation, nothing beats natural sisal fiber. It's soft enough to use on your face, serious enough to clean behind your ears, and strong enough to scrub away dry skin on your knees, elbows, nose, or toes. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, look at this. What's this? What is this? I don't know. All right. Ooh, so this is from Ad Astra Apothecary. They have included some facial oils in the box before, and it was phenomenal. They come in these little cloth bags. Beautiful. Just so well packaged. So here's their, ooh, it's a bath bomb. Oh yes, my kids have been dying. I haven't gotten a lot of them lately, and they keep asking me. I'm like, I don't have any right now. I do, but I'm not giving them my favorite ones. You know what I'm saying? I won't give them this one either. It's lavender and lime. I think it's interesting that it's white. We'll see how it goes. You can kind of smell it through, but not really. It's packaged pretty well. I'll have to check it out. All right, next we have Sophie Shine by Piggy Paint. This is a prime and shine seal system. I actually need something like this. So my nails get chipped so bad. I do my own nails. I don't ever go anywhere and get my nails done. It's just the way. I have 4 children. I have to be thoughtful with how I spend my money. So this is actually, I do have a top coat and I do use a base coat, but I'm not happy with it. It's not doing well because my nails they're just terrible. So this is a max chip resistance without the harsh smelly chemicals, so I can use it and not worry about my kids. If my kids are messing around and dump it on the floor, Lord knows it's happened before. It's not like a concern. I mean, it is. It's a concern for me, but I'm not in the way of health. All right, and then, ooh, to go with it, oh girl, look at this. So this is a Sophie by Piggy Paint nail polish in, what's the color called? We'll have to look on the card. It doesn't, there might have been a different colors available, but this one, it doesn't say. But it does say it has no odor. It's a very like springy pastel pretty color, like robin's egg blue. Let's see. I mean, it has a little bit of a smell, but not way less than normal nail polish, which is awesome because my husband complains. Anytime I paint my nails, I have to do it like in outer space. Who else out there has that problem? And then finally, we have the Piggy Paint Nail Polish Remover. This is low odor, no acetone, and eco-friendly. I like the package. Isn't that cute? So this is like a nail. I like that. Okay, it smells like alcohol. That's it. Just like rubbing alcohol, to be honest. What are the ingredients? So the number one ingredient is ethyl alcohol, aloe, vitamin E, and an embittering agent called denatonium benzoate. So that is everything that I received in my Terra Bella box. This was the March box. Let's go over the each of the values. The bath bomb is $6. The Sissel washcloth is $7.50. The Prime and Shine Seal System is $14.99. I cannot wait to try this out. The nail polish is $7.99. So, by the way, there was a variety. It says comes in colors for spring. So there was a variety of spring type colors. I'm actually going to go look and see what other people got because this one's really pretty. I want to see the others. I need to know. And then finally, the Piggy Paint was $7.99. So that is everything that I received in my box. Love it as always. If you're interested in the full review, check that out below. And I'll also link to Terra Bella box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!